पाकिस्तान एस्थेटिक हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट सेंटर, हाइड्रा वाइट ट्रीटमेंट, जिल्द की दिलकशी और निखार का इब्तिदाई इलाज, नामवर एस्थेटिक कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर हनीफ सईद की जेर निगरानी। पाकिस्तान एस्थेटिक हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट सेंटर, जहां खूबसूरती बोलती है।
फोन 0341 000 6060 0345 210 5338।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। लाइव डिजिटल न्यूज़ में खुश आमदीद। आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सेहत की खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके लाइक भी ज़रूर कर दें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुकामी होटल में होने वाले 2 रोज़ा सेहत मेले का अहवाल, लगाए जाने वाले स्टॉल्स, हज़ारों लोगों की शिरकत के अलावा महकमा सेहत सिंध के मुख्तलिफ शोबों की नुमाइंदगी का अहवाल और इख्तितामी तकरीब में तुर्की के कौंसलर जनरल की शिरकत हमारे खुसूसी ख़बरनामे में मुलाहिज़ा फरमाएँ।
Inshallah, we look forward to improving it next year, having a bigger space, having more participants, having more people taking part in this wonderful idea. That is not only just the brainchild of Private Hospitals and Clinics Association, but everybody that was involved over the last 3 days. And special thanks to, of course, Orbit, who's been organizing this whole event for us. We talked the last 2 days. I had a speech yesterday as well, so I've gone over most of the things that I wanted to say yesterday, but I think the main focus is how to bring everybody under one roof to provide optimal and best healthcare with affordable prices. So I think we struggle with this subject of healthcare, because yesterday in my speech I also said that it's very difficult to keep the prices, a tab on the prices, and also make sure that healthcare is not being compromised, because healthcare, I said yesterday again, is a subject where you cannot compromise.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Councillor of Turkey, a very popular and a prominent person in Karachi's business circles also, who's developing a lot of good collaboration, excellent collaborations between Pakistan and Turkey, brotherly countries. So thank you so very much. With the permission of my President, Dr. Junaid Ali Shah Sahab, ex-Minister and President of Pakistan Hospital and Clinics Association, so it has been 3 tremendous days of excitement, networking, opportunities, and thinking on the paradigm of providing high quality, affordable healthcare to the community, and focusing on end-to-end, basis, starting from wellness concept, which is the first time this has been promoted in Pakistan, that people don't get sick. We are very grateful for EFU Life Insurance to join us in this, and their wellness concept and the WIN product, which is more than a life-changing experience. We thank all the, I welcome you all to this concluding ceremony, all our exhibitors. I think we've all gained a lot of, mileage through this event, and so let's continue with fostering this relationship. This conference will be taken to all the major cities of the Pakistan and beyond to develop good collaborations. And as I mentioned, as a vision of our new Chief General Asad or SIFC, we would like to develop the ecosystem of the health community in such a way that we promote medical tourism in Pakistan, and we were putting a milestone in this conference of medical diplomacy between countries also.
This event bringing together esteemed professionals from medical field, highlighting the importance of the collaboration and innovation in the health sector. Today I would like to share with you the remarkable medical revolution taking place in Turkey. and explore the opportunities for collaboration with brotherly Pakistan in this vital field. Over the past 2 decades, Turkey has undergone a transformative journey in healthcare. Through the extensive reforms and investment, we have established a healthcare system.
प्रोग्राम पसंद आने पर सब्सक्राइब और लाइक के अलावा अपनी कीमती राय का कमेंट सेक्शन में इजहार ज़रूर फरमाएं। अब इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफिज़।